When we want to encourage people into STEM, people tell me it. It's really the 3 to 5-year-olds that matter most. It's at that time that they get most interested in science because they're curious.
Well, science doesn't happen in a vacuum, and kids are the future of science, so we need to make sure that they stay engaged and to keep a pipeline of not only interested people in terms of science being so integral to modern life, but also building that next generation of scientists.
Everybody's got some curiosity somewhere, and whatever your field of interest specifically, there is something scientific, there's an interesting question to be asked. You only had to listen to some of the questions that children were producing today just from the top of their heads, and it's great to see that when there's that diversity of questions, there's also that diversity of curiosity and creativity to be found.
Why do sharks eat humans? That's what I know.
That's a good question. So, did you know that sharks don't really want to eat humans? It often happens when they can't really tell that it's a human, so they mistake you for some sort of other food. So most of the time we're okay.
Or fish.
Or exactly, they might misunderstand us for a fish.
I was doing fingerprints and we got all messy. The coolest thing I learned today was tasting the honey. The coolest thing I learned today is magnets, if they connect, then they take like a long time and then they fall out. I think girls and boys are awesome scientists.
Kids can't be what they can't see. So if we're out there, we're talking to kids, we're being more involved in the community and really keeping that passion for science over their lifetime, then that will inspire more kids to come into science.
Because I want to be an engineer and a doctor and a scientist at the same time. Science is fun.
Was it an awesome day?
Yes.
All right, give me a high five. Nice.